Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to have that cool social share image. My God, it's hard to say. So when you copy it to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all those fun things, you're going to have a cool image based upon what you want. Right now, if you go to your Lofty website and you copy the link and you paste it on your Facebook page, it's probably going to show up something generic, maybe your brokerage logo, whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, please like, subscribe, and share because sharing is caring. And let's hop into this. So what you want to do, so first off, I'm going to tell you, don't mess with every one of these pages' social share images because it's pointless. So the ones that I would look at are the homepage, probably selling my home and home valuation because you probably would share those links on social media to get more leads, and about you is a good one to do too, because if you share that about you, boom, and then maybe your blogs, ArcaChat, Snapshot, trusted vendors. So again, you go through and change these. So how do you do that? Well, what you want to do is go into the gearbox right here. And then you're going to see page SEO. You click that, opens up here. Now there's an empty image. Well, let's put something on there that's going to be relevant to me. Click upload. You can do the Lofty library, but you're not going to get many options. Do the upload. And you can't see this because it's on my screen, but I'm going to pop this one in here. So what you can do is you can make it bigger, make it smaller, rotate it, do some editing, but I just typically just keep it as is. And it's going to ask you to add it. So there it is. Let's add this. Boom. Now we have that nice little image there. So whenever I share it, it's going to be populated. Now, if you're wondering, how do I do that? How do I create an image? Canva. If you don't use Canva, you can go to Google and download, but Canva, you can personalize it. If you want your face on it, your tagline, whatever it is, use Canva and just create a square image. Go do the Instagram square, create that for your share image, and it's going to fit just great. So make sure you save it. Now I'm going to hit publish because right now it's not live. Then let's hop over to my Facebook and let's share a tab. Oh, excuse me. Let's post my website, www.davidnelsonsellshomes.com. Look at there. Boom. Now we have a cool little share image of that. So that is how you create a social share image. But like I said, you don't go through all of these. Just pick the ones that you feel that you would be sharing on social media. This is the only reason why you would do that is if you plan on sharing those links. If you don't plan on sharing that page on social media, don't worry about the image. But there you go. You can have fun with that. So if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe and share my content. Lofty is a fantastic CRM. I want you to maximize your ability with this because when you do, you're going to get tons of business. And also it's going to take a lot of stress off you and add time to your day. All right, folks, have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.